this horse here, Lola?
Lola's 5 years old. She is quarter horse, came off track, raced in Ontario. She had 9 starts, was a money earner. I bought her as a late 3-year-old off the track, gave her some downtime, thought we would save her for a 5-year-old year, but we fraternity'd her as a 4. Her mind was just there. She was super solid. And we sent her to one of Ontario's good trainers, Richards-Burgess. She spent 6 months with her, and we fraternity'd in the summer. She finished top 3 in the Ontario Barrel Futurity Association and in top 5 for NBHA Canada at our finals.
Very nice. How was she down the road, handling pressure, different sites, arenas, all of that jazz?
We didn't push her over the summer at home through her fraternity year. When we got down here in end of October, she hauled great, 8 strengths on the road, handles all kinds of setups. We started pushing her when we got here, and she climbed all the way up, and she was running 1D, 2D at a lot of the venues here.
How is she behind the alley and warming up at the races, hotness-wise?
She never gets hot. She's super quiet, really calm, youth safe, amateur safe, senior safe. Walks in flat-footed every single time. You can fire her up if you wanted to, but she'll come right back down and go as fast or slow as you want her to go. She's really quiet in the alley.
What kind of jockey would you like to see on her?
I'd love to see a youth, like a kid, junior high school rodeo, college rodeo, like a youth that's really gritty. I think would be a really cool match for her.
Very fun. I really like the way she works out here. She seems quiet, calm, collected. Does anything ever faze her?
Not much seems to faze her. We don't have cows at home, and she doesn't care about them being here at all. So I've been lucky.
Yeah. How is she to run on the pattern? What do you do to jockey her and then tuning up in the week?
I long trot her during the week. We don't do a lot of barrel work. We'll do small drills, a spiral in, spiral out. We do a lot of wash riding out into the desert. She really likes that. Running her through a pattern, I send her from the back alley all the way in and just kick on her, put your hand down at first, let her work. She knows where she's going. She knows her job. You just got to get her to the barrel and then just let her do her job there.
Any special maintenance, feeds, shoeing?
She's shod on the front. She's barefoot on the hind. We inject stifles and hocks, regular maintenance. She was just done end of January. Teeth floated in the fall before we left home. She doesn't take any crazy out of the ordinary maintenance at all.
Yeah, she seems super easygoing. Like I said, nothing phases her. I think she'd really fit anybody. Would you agree?
Absolutely. She's a great little horse.
Well, thank you for bringing her.
Thank you.